I want to show you guys what this looks like before we throw it in the washer, so you can see like the water stains all the way across the bottom of the shower curtain. And then this is the absolute bottom. This is the part that like hangs on the floor. It's orange in spots, red in spots. It's basically like this the whole way across. So I want to show you guys how I wash my shower curtain and how I keep it looking white, because it is a white and gray striped shower curtain. I'm going to load this bad boy right into the washer. I'm going to be using some of this OxiClean. I love this. I use it for absolutely everything, so I'm going to get a good, I'm taking a good scoop full here and throwing it right in. Now I'm going to start this. I'm going to add my detergent as I normally would. I'm not going to add softener, but just straight up detergent. So I'm going to wash mine on a delicates cycle, just so it's easy on the shower curtain. I'm going to start it. Once it hits the rinse cycle, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of vinegar, and then I'm going to continue to let it do its thing. And I'll show you guys what this looks like basically at the end. So it's really simple, it's quick, it's easy, kind of a do it and forget it kind of a thing. And I'll show you guys. I've got about 1/2 cup of vinegar here. And I'm going to pour this in. And start it back up and let it finish the rinse cycle. So once you pull your shower curtain out of your washer, you're going to hang it up and let it air dry. You can either drape it over a chair or hang it right back up on the shower rod to let it air dry that way. But you guys can see just how white the vinegar and the OxiClean made the shower curtain. It got rid of a lot of the staining. Not 100%, but it did an amazing job. This is how I clean my shower curtain, and it's a super easy cleaning hack for anyone who feels too lazy to actually wash their shower curtain.